Now let's talk how it drives. That hybrid engine gives strong torque off the line, and with available AWD, it's not afraid of a dirt road or snowy driveway. Fuel economy, Toyota claims up to 38 mpg combined, which is insane for a pickup. Don't expect off-road dominance like the Tacoma, but for light trails, camping, and urban hauling it holds its own. Steering is light, braking is sharp, and the hybrid powertrain is impressively responsive. So, is the 2026 Toyota Corolla Pickup Truck worth your attention? If you're looking for a compact, fuel-efficient, city-friendly truck that doesn't skimp on practicality, this one checks all the boxes. It's not built for heavy-duty work, but if your lifestyle includes weekend adventures, light hauling, and daily drives, this Corolla might just be the coolest curveball Toyota's thrown in years. What do you think of Toyota's bold move? Could this be your next everyday truck? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world reviews right here on Car Trends. Hop inside, and it's all Corolla comfort with the rugged twist. You've got the 10.5-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a digital gauge cluster. Materials are more durable than plush. Think easy clean surfaces and tough fabric, but still comfortable. Higher trims offer synthetic leather, heated seats, and even a moonroof. Storage space is smart too, with under-seat bins and multiple USB-C ports to keep your gear and gadgets in check. This isn't your typical stiff pickup ride. Thanks to its unibody construction, the Corolla truck drives more like a crossover. It's smooth, composed, and quieter than you'd expect. Perfect for long commutes or weekend getaways. Rear seat space is tight for tall adults but manageable, and Toyota offers both 2-door and 4-door versions depending on your needs. For a compact truck, comfort is definitely a strong suit.